Welcome to the frontier of the final frontier, space law. In a realm where human footprints are rare, yet aspirations surge beyond the stars, an invisible framework shapes the vastness beyond our planet. This domain, governed by principles, treaties, and agreements, orchestrates our exploration, utilization, and conservation of outer space. It's a realm where international harmony and cooperation transcend ideals to become necessities. At its core, space law ensures our cosmic voyages foster peace and collective effort. Its pivotal role grows as we delve deeper into space, aiming for resource utilization, long-distance travel, and even extraterrestrial colonization. The foundation of this legal framework lies in international accords like the Outer Space Treaty and the Moon Agreement, which safeguards space as a human commons, free from sovereign claims and the afflictions of earthbound conflicts. They underscore the ethos of inclusive benefit and protect celestial realms from exploitation and contamination. However, the entrance of commercial entities alongside government missions introduces complicated challenges to space law. New dialogues are necessary to navigate space debris, mining rights, and geopolitical repercussions, ensuring the continued evolution of these agreements. Our journey into space mirrors humanity's boundless ambition and quest for knowledge. The rules we lay down are crucial for ensuring this journey enriches all of humankind. The unfolding narrative of space law is vital in shaping our outer space adventure's future, emphasizing stories of human ambition, foresight, and collaboration, even in the vast, unclaimed expanses. In subsequent segments, we'll explore today's pressing space law issues, including space debris governance, ethical space mining concerns, and lunar resource negotiations, illustrating the urgent need for an updated legal framework to accommodate swift technological and geopolitical shifts. Among the vast expanse of space lies an invisible framework, pivotal to human actions beyond our planet, the Outer Space Treaty. Embodied with a spirit of cooperation, this monumental legal foundation prohibits sovereignty claims in space, designating it as the province of all humankind. It lays down principles prohibiting nuclear weapons and military activities on celestial bodies, forming a sanctuary of peace. Since 1967, the treaty's adoption has underscored a global commitment to peaceful space exploration, influencing subsequent space law developments. Yet, as we advance into new celestial territories, challenges arise. Space mining, debris management, and potential human settlements pose unanticipated legal questions, highlighting the need for dialogue and updates to existing agreements. Nonetheless, the treaty's ethos of cooperation and mutual benefit remains pertinent. As technology unveils new cosmic opportunities, we are reminded that our greatest achievements in space will emerge from united efforts, promoting shared benefits across humankind. Moving forward, we delve into specific hurdles such as space debris and mining rights. Each issue accentuates the demand for a comprehensive legal architecture that can support our expanding space endeavors while grounding them in ethical and cooperative principles, drawing upon the foundational spirit of the Outer Space Treaty. A silent but significant threat looms over space exploration and our satellite dependencies: space debris. Comprising inactive satellites, spent launch vehicles, and collision fragments, this debris circles Earth at phenomenal speeds, posing dire risks to operational satellites and crewed missions alike. The complexities of managing space debris are vast, with millions of particles threatening vital communications and global positioning systems. International efforts aim to mitigate this hazard, from deorbiting guidelines to active removal missions, framed within the Outer Space Treaty and other global agreements. This global challenge underscores the necessity of international collaboration for both exploration and preservation. Space debris management exemplifies the broader challenges awaiting in space law's future, calling for shared global commitments to overcome. As we move to our next focus, the Moon Agreement, we'll examine how legal and ethical debates frame our approach to celestial resource management and the crucial balance between exploration desires and communal responsibilities. Our journey continues with an exploration of the Moon Agreement, navigating through its aims and the controversies it stirs. This treaty seeks to ensure that the Moon, as common heritage, benefits all humanity, preventing sovereign and private claims. However, its clauses on resource exploitation have provoked debates on innovation versus regulation, reflecting wider tensions in space law between collective heritage and commercial ambition. The Moon Agreement's struggle for broad acceptance showcases the difficulties in aligning international visions within the fast-evolving space sector. Despite limited ratifications, its aspirations for equitable resource management highlight ongoing dialogues around balancing exploration enthusiasm with ethical stewardship. This segment sets the stage for our next discussion on space mining, where legal considerations intertwine with ethical dilemmas, further challenging the global community to forge agreements that align with our shared destiny in space exploration and resource utilization. Space mining, an enticing prospect, offers a vision of tapping into celestial abundance to address Earth's resource limitations. Yet, this future calls for navigating a maze of legal and ethical considerations, pressing us to ponder how space resources can be used responsibly. The inherent dilemmas span legal jurisdictions under the Outer Space Treaty, which prohibits national claims in space, to ethical concerns about environmental impacts and equitable resource distribution. These issues emphasize the need for a nuanced legal framework that aligns with rapid technological advancements while ensuring benefits shared by all humanity. As we contemplate this balance, the conversation around space mining becomes a litmus test for our capacity to blend ambition with stewardship, requiring a global consensus that upholds both innovation and ethical responsibilities. Our discussion progresses by examining how geopolitical dynamics influence space law, shedding light on the strategic calculus that nations navigate in this final frontier. The landscape of space law is intricately woven with the threads of geopolitical interests, where global politics and technological advancements continuously shape legal norms. This complex interplay underscores how strategic national priorities influence the pace and direction of space law development, manifesting in negotiated agreements that reflect both cooperative aspirations and competitive dynamics. As nations seek to leverage their interests in space, the principles of non-appropriation and peaceful exploration face pressures, challenging the international community to recalibrate agreements like the Outer Space Treaty in response to these evolving dynamics. The management of space debris, alongside emerging issues such as space mining and private exploration, illustrates the critical need for diplomatic agility and global cooperation to navigate this uncharted territory. Looking ahead, the multifaceted dialogue between spacefaring actors will define the next era of space law, emphasizing the need for laws that foster unity and equitable progress. Our narrative now turns to the future of space law, focusing on how we can harness technological and legal innovation to ensure space remains a domain of collective opportunity and shared destiny. As we peer into space's forthcoming chapters, we're met with a canvas of challenges and opportunities, ripe for international cooperation and legal innovation. The technological leaps in satellite mega-constellations, space tourism, and asteroid mining introduce pressing legal quandaries, demanding a reimagined framework of space law that can adapt to this rapid evolution. Proposed legal reforms, echoing the necessity for an updated legal architecture, spotlight the urgency for agreements that reconcile technological advancements with the foundational ethos of outer space as humanity's shared province. These reforms, aimed at fair resource distribution, space traffic management, and the protection of celestial environments, invite a collaborative international effort to sculpt policies fitting our shared celestial aspirations. The path to this future is paved with the promise of unity and cooperative spirit, reinforcing the belief that our most profound achievements in space will spring from collaborative endeavors. As we stand at the dawn of this new era, the collective commitment to innovation, legal clarity, and global partnership will be paramount. The journey ahead is not merely regulatory, but a collective quest to respect our cosmic environment and each other, promising a sustainability-focused and cooperative future in the vastness of space.